Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're taking a look at the full-body zero-gravity Shiatsu massage chair. This is a high-end massage chair designed for full-body relaxation with a range of advanced features. It promises a luxurious experience with its variety of massage techniques, heat therapy, and a zero-gravity recline that mimics a weightless experience. Let's dive into the specifics of this product to see if it lives up to its claims. The full-body zero-gravity Shiatsu massage chair is equipped with 14 fixed-point massage wheels, which is an upgrade from its predecessor's 10-point system. This extended design targets a broader area, providing relief not just for your back, but also for your hips and thighs. The full roller foot kneading mechanism provides deep acupressure, stimulating vital reflexology points to help promote circulation and soothe tired feet. On top of that, the 3D air compression technology wraps around your legs, offering dynamic pressure waves to enhance blood flow and ease soreness. Another standout feature is the zero-gravity recline. The chair offers 3 different positions that tilt you into a floating, weightless posture. This is ideal for relieving tension throughout your body, especially after a long day or a tough workout. The extended massage track goes from your neck down to your thighs, covering a wider area than many other chairs. So, if you're looking for full-body relaxation, this chair could provide just that. The chair also comes with a built-in USB charging port, perfect for keeping your devices powered up while you're lounging in comfort. With 20 auto massage modes, you can tailor your massage experience to suit your needs, whether you're seeking post-workout recovery or just a relaxing break. From shiatsu kneading to rolling and compression techniques, the chair adjusts to whatever mood you're in. When it comes to heat, the full-body zero-gravity massage chair doesn't disappoint. It features back and calf heating, which provides targeted warmth to soothe muscles and improve circulation, adding another layer of relaxation. There's also the full-body airbag compression system, which applies rhythmic pressure to your shoulders, arms, feet, and hips, relieving stress and stiffness. One thing I really appreciated was how easy it is to set up. The chair arrives fully assembled, so there's no hassle of putting it together. After just unboxing, you can immediately start enjoying the full benefits. And if anything goes wrong, the product comes with a 1-year labor warranty and a 3-year parts warranty, along with lifetime technical support. From a personal perspective, I found this chair easy to use and incredibly soothing. I tested it during both morning and evening routines, and the effects were consistent. It was especially effective after long hours of sitting. My back and legs felt refreshed and relieved. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that it's a large piece of furniture, so it's ideal for those who have the space for it, but it might not be practical for smaller living areas. So, what are the pros and cons? On the positive side, the variety of massage modes and the combination of shiatsu, rolling, and compression techniques provide an exceptional, personalized experience. The zero-gravity function is a huge bonus for comfort and relaxation. The built-in USB charging port is a thoughtful addition, and the ease of setup is a definite plus for anyone who hates assembling furniture. On the flip side, the chair is bulky. If you don't have a dedicated space for it, you might run into issues. Additionally, while the price is on the higher end, it's worth considering whether the features justify the cost for you. In terms of value for money, this chair is certainly an investment, but it delivers premium features that you don't always find in less expensive models. The advanced massage techniques, zero-gravity functionality, and heat therapy are all top-notch, and you get a lot of customization with the 20 auto modes. It's priced for those who want a high-quality, full-body massage experience at home, so it's worth considering if you're looking to replicate the feeling of a professional massage. If you're looking for alternatives, you might find other massage chairs in a similar price range, but many don't offer the same breadth of features, especially when it comes to things like the zero-gravity function or the comprehensive air compression system. For those with a lower budget, there are more affordable models available that focus on specific areas of massage, but they may lack the luxury of a full-body treatment or the advanced technology that this chair boasts. As for build quality, this chair feels robust. The materials are durable, and it seems designed to last for years. The included warranties give you peace of mind, and the fact that it comes fully assembled makes it feel like a hassle-free experience from the get-go. To sum it up, the full-body zero-gravity Shiatsu massage chair delivers a high-end, customizable massage experience with plenty of innovative features. If you have the space for it and are willing to invest in quality, this chair offers great value for those seeking full-body relaxation. Its performance, combined with heat therapy and a comprehensive range of massage modes, makes it ideal for anyone who wants a professional-level massage from the comfort of their own home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your experiences if you've used this chair. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.